I'm Emily Brown. I'm a lead designer. A lead designer is someone who thinks up the game idea, thinks about the mechanics and the rules of the game and the controls. As a lead, I also manage other designers and help everyone get on the right track to making what we want to make. I've worked on console games and mobile games. I've worked on Sesame Street games and iToy games where you're motion-based. And more recently, Albert: A Wildlife Adventure, which is an open-world game about discovering wildlife on a small island. So my day as a lead designer usually involves lots of communication and collaboration. So I end up speaking to other designers to make sure they're on track with what they want to do. I spend some time in Engine making things, and other time reviewing and reflecting on where are we? Is this working? Is it easy or hard? My best bit of advice if you want to think about getting into games and getting into games design is play lots of games. But I don't just mean video games. I mean play card games, play board games, make up games with your friends in the playground, and then change the rules. Play around with the rules of games you already know and see, did it make it better? Did it make it worse? If you have a game that's like a competitive game, what happens if you make it a collaborative game? And really start toying around with what a game can be to create your own games and find out what that's like.